Hey there, this is your conductor Roy. Today we're going to do a video on the opening of the brand new D11 cat bulldozer. Ooh, I couldn't wait to get it. I might be the first, I doubt it, but I got it, the first one for me, right? Let's get into the opening of this box. All right, let's see what's going on here. How do we get, oh, I think we open from this way. Let me see, put this down a little bit. Okay. It's got a nice box, of course. 187 cat D11 dozer. I think that's made by the Tomkins license they use to make it with. Okay, let's take this out. It has its own bag too. Let's see if I can pull this bag out. Wow. Hey, look at that. A box, a bag. Take it out that way. Okay. Put that over there. All right, as you can see, it says Cat D11 dozer, collectible die-cast scale model replica, HO scale. Look at that, HO scale. So you see it good. All right, let's get into it. It's got a nice little picture on the top of the can. We call them a tin, some of us. And it has all the information you need to know on the back. It has, let's see, length with the blade and ripper, width over tracks, height to top of ROPS, blade width, blade height, blade capacity, operating weight, maximum speed forward, maximum speed reverse, model power Cat C32, net horsepower 850. This is really nice. Let's get into it. Okay, take that top off. Go over there, be good. Get a nice little book. I love these little books. It makes you want to buy everything in it, right? A lot of items. All right, put that over there. Oh, that's quite thick. Yeah, look. I mean, there's lots of stuff in there. Just stuff and stuff. All right, turn this around. Oh man, look at this. Nice thick piece of whatever, plastic, I guess. Wow, look at that. That'll protect it, right? Uh-oh, there it is. Look at that. Look at that. Woo, man, that's just beautiful. Let's see. All right, we're gonna gently pull it out. I'm just gonna pull it out like that. It's a D11, it should be strong. Okay, there you go. Look at that. Wow, that thing. It's just beautiful, right? Hold on. Never mind. Yeah, hold on. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. I had to go get my D9. I want to show you something. Look at the difference. All right, so this is the 9, right? And this is that D11. Look at that difference. And you know D9 is big. This is a big tractor. Look at that. Blade moves forward. Like so. Put it down, you can see it. and the ripper moves down. So it should be able to sit up like it's doing. It's sitting up. See, my finger can kind of go under there. Then this comes down. Got beautiful detail. Look at that. Beautiful detail. It's just the D11 series. It doesn't say that it's a T or R or none of that. Just a D series. Hey, I'm glad to get D series, right? Look at that. It goes back, and then it goes down. Watch how far this thing can go down. Look, it can really go down. Then it comes back up. That's a lot of movement. And I think it can actually go crooked. It can go crooked. Look at that. If it need be. And then you push that the other way. Look at that. That is so cool. The D11. Very nice. It's got a little piece of plastic here. I have to take that off. Let's see if I can get it off. What is it? That's just a plastic rubber band. But yeah, that's a nice piece. I think oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Did you see that? Yes, sir. Wow. Very nice piece. That's the D11 compared to the D9. Big. While I'm at it, might as well show you the D9. This is the new D9 with the black blade. I like that. And of course, this one, it moves forward too. It moves down. Look at that. Look what that can do. That's a lot of movement. A lot of movement. Look at that. And it goes up, way up. You can build some mountains with that, right? You can really go up some hills with that. And of course, you can see it can go sideways like that. And then you can push it down. And it's straight and flat. 9T. 9T. Look at that. The ripper goes up. And the ripper comes down. Uh-oh, pull the pin out. Let me put that pin back in there. Come on, go back in. All right. Now, I guess I saw how far not to go, right? Okay. So, and that just goes like that and up. And it locks back in place. So, that's the D11 and the D9. This is your conductor engineer, Roy. Yeah. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Hey, could you guys like and share? You know, I mean, like and subscribe. Yeah, look, I'm old. If I say like and share it too. That'd help. Bye. Cranberry Valley Railroad.